Hello friends, welcome back. In last session, we have learned about borrowing and referencing in Rust. In this section, we are going to discuss about constants. Constants in Rust are always immutable. You cannot convert them to mutable like we can do with the variables. Constants can be declared using the const keyword. Lifetime of a constant is static. Static means that it will be available throughout the application until the program runs. Let's declare few constants. Const app name equals to my first app. When we are declaring any constant, the first rule to define them is they should be uppercase. And another important point is, let me try to print and explain. Fn main, print hello world, and print app name. This will not work because we have not defined the type. In Rust, it is mandatory that if you are defining a constant, then you have to define the type also. Let's try it out. Cargo run, and it is saying please provide a type for the constant. So this is our slice, as we already know. Then we need to define the type str and try to run the application. So in constant, first rule is it should be uppercase. It is not mandatory though, but it is recommended. But it is mandatory to set the type for the constant, otherwise it will not work. Constants can be defined in any scope, right? So let me define one more constant. Const x type of i32 is 10. If I print this, it will get printed, and if I try to mutate the value to 20, this will give an error because x is immutable. X cannot be mutated. So in case of variables are also immutable by default, but they can be converted into mutable by using the mute keyword. So let me try that out. Mute keyword and try to do this. Will this work or not? So in case of constant, it will not work. Correct. So this cannot be mutated. Correct. As we see, this can be defined outside and can be used inside function, and can be defined inside the function scope also, and can be used over here. So this is not possible. Let me remove it and try to run the program. It is working, right? So constants are immutable by default and cannot be mutated throughout the lifetime of the program. One more thing you can do is, suppose I define a constant. So what I can do like 30 or 31 multiplied by 24, and this can be called over here also. So as I already told, it should be uppercase. So let me convert it to uppercase and define properly, and we can use this over here. So if I will run this, it will get evaluate at the runtime also. This is allowed, but once it is evaluated, the value cannot be changed later on. So let me try if it works. It is working. The hours in month, the value of hours in a month is 30 multiplied by 24. Important points about constants are, they are compile time evaluated, can be defined in global scope and any other scope also. Constants are immutable. They need explicit typing, as I already told. Without defining a type, you cannot define a constant. And the lifetime of the constant is static. Constants have static lifetime, meaning their value is valid for the duration of the program. If you want to distinguish between constant and static, features are mutability. Constant are always immutable. Static can be mutable with static and mute keyword, which is unsafe. Initialization require a constant expression, and static can use runtime computed values. Memory location in constant, inline, wherever used in case of static has a fixed memory location. Correct? And both have the lifetime of static, means it is valid for the duration of the program. So that is all about constants. Hope you understand. Leave me a comment. I will see you in the next video.